Okay guys, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna take off. I'm scared. Well, that worked. So far this is working. Okay. Turn it on. Okay, now we're recording. Oh yeah. Here. Yeah, that's much. Even with the signs, it doesn't help me. Oh my word. I'm okay if I don't go too much higher, to be honest with you. I mean, there's not going to be anything super exciting with this, other than we went out of, it's struggling out there. There's town. Oh, you want me to go slower? Okay. Here's town. Okay. Come in. Come in. Come back. Come back to mama. Come back. Good girl. No, come in. It's okay. Come in. Come down. No, that was out. Yeah. Boy, she's struggling. Can't you tell? Oh, okay. Here's town. And then we'll land, okay? Just do one more. Just one more little shot. Good girl. Okay, back up. Give you some room. Okay, can you land, please? Doesn't like it. Oh, good Lord. Okay. Wait, don't turn it up. Don't turn it up.
I was just going to move it back a little.
Okay. Oh, gosh.
On the edge.
Oh, Mama. Mama. Where are we going? Is there alcohol? Where we're going?
We can always find
Good
alcohol.
Okay. We did it. We flew our drone and nobody died. And it made it. And it landed. Thank you, honey. Mwah. Mama's so proud. Oh. Okay, we're done.